Hey, Patty here, CFM. Today I'm working on a Rochester Quadrajet base plate, and I got a customer complaint of won't idle. So I got my throttle shaft here, and as you can see, there's so much play in here that there's no way we can get an idle off here. This vacuum leak is just, so that's why they couldn't get an idle. So what we're gonna do is here, CFM, we take the extra step and we actually install a bronze bushing. So that's what I'm working on right now, and let's get that going. After we get this in here, we should be able to have a nice tight fitting, and that will actually stop the vacuum leaks, and he'll be able to adjust properly. So let's get this bushing in here. I'm going to Loctite it, get some Loctite on there, and tap it in. Now we'll give it a try. Put the throttle shaft back in, and now it's nice and tight. There's going to be no vacuum leaks. So that is what we do here at CFM.